multiply binomials. I have two binomials, x plus 2, x plus 5. I want to multiply them. X times x is x squared. X times 5 is 5x. Two times x is 2x. Two times 5 is 10. So it's x times x, x times 5, two times x, 2 times 5. Five x plus 2x is 7x. This is my answer. I can also do it in another way. I can do the multiplication in this way. X times x is x squared. X times 2 is 2x. Five times x is 5x. Five times 2 is 10. I add. So this is my answer. And this answer, of course, is the same as this. Next, I can do this in a simpler way. I don't want to write x. I just write 1 here, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 5. One times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. I have 1 plus 7 plus 10. Now, x times x should give you x squared. So this term is x squared. And the next, of course, is just x. And the last one has no x. So my answer is 1x squared plus 7x plus 10, which is the same as that, same as that. But you see, this is simpler than that. Okay? Then, you realize that, how do I get 7? It's 5x plus 2x. It is here. 5x plus 2x. I get 7x. How do I get 7? It's 5 plus 2. So you see that it is 5 and 2. You put them together, that's the middle term. That's the middle term. Therefore, I can write this. The first term is, of course, very simple, x squared. The next term, we already see from this work, it's 5 plus 2. It's 5 plus 2. X plus 2 times 5. So this is my answer. Of course, they are all the same. So you can just add 5 and 2, you get the middle term. Then you see, why should I write this? 5 plus 2 is so easy. You can do it mentally, right? 5 plus 2 is 7. Therefore, what I recommend you to do is the first term, of course, is x squared. The next term is 5 plus 2. Don't write it out. Do it in your head. Do mentally. Do mental calculation. 5 plus 2 is 7. That's how you write it. This is my expectation. I expect you to do 5 plus 2 mentally and write the answer right away. That's my expectation. Let's have another example. Do the way I recommend you to do. X times x is x squared. The middle term, minus 2 plus 4. Do it in your head. Minus 2 plus 4 is plus 2. That's it. Write down your answer right away. And as I said, I expect you to do this way. Next example. X times x is x squared. Do mentally. Minus 9, minus 3, put them together. Minus 9 minus 3 is minus 12. Then you multiply Minus 9 times minus 3 is positive 27. That's it. Okay. Let's make it a little more complicated. How do you do this one? 7x times 8x. How about the middle term? The middle term is 5 times 8 minus 7 times 6. This is the middle term. The middle term is 5 times 8 minus 7 times 6 x. And then the last term, plus 5 multiply minus 6. All right. I can simplify the middle term. 40 minus 42. 40 minus 42 is minus 2. This is my final answer. Can you do it even simpler? Can you do this part mentally? I want you to do this part mentally and write the answer right away. Let's have another example. Two times 5 is 10. Now, I want you to do the next step mentally. Mental calculation. Minus 15. 3 times 5 is 15. It's minus 15. 2 times 6 is 12. It's positive 12. Minus 15 plus 12. What is it? Minus 15 plus 12 is minus 3. Finally, minus 3 times 6. That's your answer. I want you to do this way. Do the middle term mentally. You don't need to write or anything. Do it mentally. That's my expectation. I hope you can do it this way. Of course, nothing wrong if you write every step. If you write out every step, it's nothing wrong. But if you can do mentally, why not? This gives you a fast way of getting your answer. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.